You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. This is generally a name from Italian, and it's a famous brand of Italian chocolate. So let's break down how to pronounce it and why. In Italian, it's pronounced as Venchi. Yes, the V is pronounced like a V. It's not Spanish, so it's not Benchi. CH in Italian is pronounced like K, okay? A simple C would be Ch, but CH is K. Yes, it's Italian. So replace the CH with a K. Venchi. Venchi is your Italian pronunciation. English pronunciation, Venchi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.